Want to learn how to raise $375,000 with your founder story? Then you got to check out this crowdfunding video. Hi, I'm Lynn Graff, and I help founders create and tell great stories.
Did you know American brands spend over $700 billion every year to convince your eyes, mind, and heart to see, think, and love their products?
That's Lamar Romero, founder of Higher Dragon, formerly Dragon Spirits Marketing. And that's the video I helped him produce that features his story as well as his pitch that he raised $375,000 on the crowdfunding site WeFunder. Lamar asked me to produce the video for him and the WeFunder campaign to help him with the story be at the center of his pitch as part of it. Now, Lamar had a good story and a novel idea, creating this kind of Uber marketplace for brand ambassadors. In addition, he had a ton of investor slides that he'd been working on with his pitch deck that he wanted to be in the video. The problem is this story was crazy long, it's a bit all over the place, and those slides, slides don't always make a video very enticing, let's be honest here. So we spent about 3 to 4 weeks really diving into his founder story of how Dragon was going to come up with. And it was about 13 pages when we got all said and done. Then we took some of the good slides from his investor pitch, and then I found some market data that really added some oomph to his presentation. Once we got those slides looking really good using a graphic designer, and then we used some powerful market data that we found about the industry and the gig economy to really add that firepower to the pitch and make the story more compelling. So we come up with these great sound bites such as this one.
We are creating the #1 brand ambassador gig marketplace that solves the massive problem of matching amazing, growing brands with educated, passionate brand ambassadors to promote products and place those products in the hands of consumers all over the US.
And what made this video work so well is the combination of a great story with some select market slides and market data that really kind of reached the audience in such a way that they wanted to help them. Then it was a matter of just planning the shoot out at the Treaty Oak Distillery, filming Lamar do what he does best. That's talk about his company, why he's doing it, how he's going to dominate, and how he's going to build this army of dragons to help other brands. Bringing it all together with some music and graphics, all that kind of editing video stuff that I do on a regular basis. The point here is that if you have a great story and you've got a value proposition that people can grab their arms around and resonate with, you're going to be able to raise capital. So the next time you want to do some crowdfunding, make sure you come up with a great story, found some compelling market data, make your slides that you're going to insert really compelling, and you're going to find people opening their wallets to you.